What if Canva could critique, edit, and fix your design for you? So sa previous tutorial natin, we learned how to generate graphics, images, videos, and even websites using Canva AI. Pero sa video na to, Canva Part 2, we are going to maximize Canva AI para sa processes natin when it comes to our design and even design decision making, like how we are going to make our deliverables na high quality siya para sa client natin within our time frame. Like we have to make sure na hindi tayo late sa pag-pass ng mga graphic designs and deliverables natin sa client natin. And Canva AI can help us with that. So, are you keen to learn how to do that? Just keep on watching. The first one is Canva Design Advice. Yes, you can now ask Canva about your design. So for example, meron na kayong ginawang design para sa client nyo. And you are not sure maybe, let's say, font style na ginagamit nyo. Like you don't know if nag-contrast ba yung color or nag-blend ba ng maganda yung colors natin or even okay ba yung mga nilagay natin na elements, ano ba yung mas okay na ilagay na text and all. If you want advice kung paano ma-improve yung graphics mo, you can literally ask Canva AI. Para mas maintindihan nyo kung paano siya gawin, check this out. Alright, so you're seeing my screen right now and let's try to just grab a design here. Let's say this one, that one, and then click mo lang yung design na nipili mo. And then there's an icon here saying ask Canva. You can just click that one or pwede din na right click and then comment tapos at Canva ka lang. At Canva, ito. And then, pwede kang mag-generate ng text, pwede kang gumawa ng image, and pwede kang maghingi ng advice. So first, let's try the generate text muna. Click submit. Ilang seconds lang makaka-generate na siya ng text para sa'yo. And then, you can also apply that text sa graphics mo. So, meron siyang ginawang tatlo na pwede mong pagpilian. Beauty inspired by nature, where style feels effortless and designed to bloom with you. So, let's try to click this, designed to bloom with you. So, ayun, kinapi niya yung font style ni Claudia Alves. We can just delete this one and then use this text instead. So, gawin natin ganyan. Pwede din no, ganyan. But let's try to put an effects. Let's see, something like that. And then, gawin natin small d. And then, ganyan. And then, medyo liit pa natin yung curve. Effects, i-adjust natin yung curve niya. Siguro ganyan. Lagay natin sa gitna. So now, ipa-check natin kay Canva AI kung ano yung design na mabibigay niya sa atin. So just click give me design advice. And then let's just wait for it and see kung ano yung ibibigay niya. The illustration is lovely and the text curve frames it nicely. You could give the line a bit more breathing room above the flowers so the words feel less pressed into the petals and the whole piece. Kailangan lang daw ng space. So we can do that. Oo nga, tama no? I think this one really is a bit better compared sa yung nasa close talaga siya ng ano. So tama yung sinabi ni Canva AI. So that's that. That's how easy you can use the Canva AI advice. So the next tool that you can use is the Magic Edit. So sa Magic Edit, maganda to siya for those people na may hinahandle na e-commerce and you're the one making sure that the images of the products are good. For example, meron kayong binibentang, let's say water bottle. Tapos yung water bottle nyo, isa lang yung picture na meron kayo. Let's say you have a picture sa water bottle na color white lang siya. So sa Magic Edit, pwede nyo siyang gawa ng maraming version na color without you taking photo sa lahat ng version ng color, if you know what I mean. Para mas mag-guess niyo yung pinagsasabi ko, I'll share my screen again. Okay, so now we're going to try the Magic Edit. Let's look for a design where parang mga products siya. Para pwede natin siyang i-change yung color. So I have here one. Let's use this. Click natin siya. And then click nyo tong edit. And then dito sa Magic Studio, makikita nyo may right arrow siya. Hanapin nyo yung Magic Edit. So this one. And then okay siya na brush. But then I would highly recommend just click this. Click para automatic na i-click mo lang yung product and then siya na mag-trace. So, let's try this, the first one. And kung ano yung gustong color natin na i-change siya. So, let's try light pink. Let's try that. Okay, so in less than a minute, nagkaroon na ng pink dito na parang naka-gradient siya na pink. So that's good. Now let's try the other product pa na nandito. Let's say, ito, ang nakaano lang niya is that you have to do it again. For example, this one, and then click nyo ulit yung edit, and then magic edit na naman. Click this. Let's try this one. Let's try that. So, technically, ang purpose talaga ng magic edit, it's more on like changing the color of a certain product or a picture or an object. So, as you can see here, meron siyang black, no? I'm not sure if we can change that one. So, yeah, itry nyo lang sa mga products na gusto nyong i-change yung color. But this one, I would say, hindi siya maganda kasi may black part and I don't know why. But technically, you can choose here kung ano yung version na gusto nyo. This one is a lighter one. This one is medyo super clear yung black. This one lighter than. But wala siyang version na walang black. So, I know Canva AI can improve this magic edit na feature pa. So, just try it on your end kung ano yung magandang edit niya and just pick that. Okay? And then just click done and then that's it. O, diba? Pwede siyang mag-change. And not just that, hindi lang pag-change ng color. You can also add elements na wala sa picture and you can also remove or replace na ibang elements or ibang products sa photo na yon. So how cool is that, right? So the last but not the least is the magic grab and grab text. So what I like about this, for example, sa grab text, no? For example, merong photo na you really like it pero may text doon and yung text na nandun, you don't like it. So by this tool na grab text, you can technically grab the text and change the text sa gusto mo na text na ilagay. Or you can just delete the text. Totally delete the text if you don't want the text there. Again, this is my screen para mas magets niyo kung paano siya gamitin. Alright, so now let's try the magic grab and grab text. So, I already prepared a photo that we can use para mas magets nyo kung paano siya gamitin. So, let's say this one. So, may nakalagay na March 08. So, unfortunately, hindi ko po alam kung kaninong birthday yan. So, kung birthday nyo po yan, comment it below. So, ganito yung gagawin natin. Ito-try muna natin yung grab text. So, what do I mean by grab text? Just make sure to click the photo and then edit nyo po. Sa Magic Studio, hanapin nyo po yung grab text. Automatic po yung Canva AI na makaka-detect siya ng text. So, this one, na-detect niya yung March 08. So, I'm just gonna click all text and then grab. So, ayan, bosses, technically, pwede nyo po siyang i-delete lahat para wala ng text. Or you can change the text sa gusto nyong text na ilagay. So, for example, delete ko na lang to. Ayan, so, ang ilagay natin, February, and then, lagay natin dito. And then, i-clone lang natin siya. And then, 1, tapos, try natin, lakihin. Ayan. And then, clone natin siya for the next number here. Palagyan natin ng 14 para Valentine's Day, birthday yan ni Amira. Shout out. Shout out, Amira, baby. Yan, na-change na natin yung text. And then, we can always put like mga effects if you want na mag-pop out. Sorry. Pop out talaga yung text natin. We can put a little bit of shadowing. Ano talaga yung gusto nyo. And then, that's it. But not just that. Hindi lang text ang pwede nyong ma-edit. Pwede din na mag-grab kayo ng specific element or product na nasa loob ng photo. Either pwede siyang ma-delete or pwede siyang ma-move around or ma-resize. So, para mas mag-gets nyo, ano yung pinagsasabi ko? Here's my screen again. So, now, let's go to the magic grab. Click natin tong magic grab. So, ano yung nagagawa ng magic grab? Pwedeng mag-click ka dito ng kung ano yung gusto mong tanggalin, i-move, or i-clone. Let's say this one. Grab this. Gusto ko siya na i-clone. Ayan. And at the same time, gusto ko tong i-transfer. Uy, may natira dito. But anyways, yeah. Let's just see what we can do here, no? Ayan, naguluhan yung tita niyo. Ano ba yung gagawin natin dito? Okay, so that's that. Maglagay din tayo dito sa kabila ng ganito para pantay siya. So, let's do it again. Click edit and then magic grab. So, sa magic grab, hindi na natin makikita yung kinuha natin kanina. So, ito na naman yung i-try natin na i-grab. Tapos, this time, I just want to clone it para ilagay natin sa kabila. Para i-flip natin. Flip. So, ayan. Tabunan natin yung Yung parang may residue siya na. Ayun. So I know it's not the best of the best, but I hope na nagets nyo yung pwedeng magawa ng magic grab. So it's up to you. Be creative as much as you can. And I really, really love to see your output. Please share that sa Facebook group natin. And I would love to check it and give you some advice. And yeah, if you want a blog version of this para mas madali nyong makita kung paano siya gawin, you can just go to our website, BossedUp PH.com, and then go to resources, tapos may blog doon, and then we have a couple of blogs na there, mga tutorials and the like. So yeah, I hope you check that one out too. So that's that. I really hope that you enjoy this video tutorial, and I hope meron kayong natutunan. I just really want you guys can make your work a little bit more easier using Canva AI, kasi let's be real here, malaking tulong talaga yung AI sa panahon ngayon, and it will really help us save more time, especially when asking advice sa AI. It can really give us another perspective kung paano pa siya mas mapaganda. And yeah, I really, really hope na nakasunod kayo. If you have further questions, feel free to message us sa Facebook page natin at BossedUp PH. And I'm gonna give you more valuable content when it comes to AI, processes, project management, and productivity sa whole year na to. So I really hope you guys stay tuned always. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please click the bell button so that you'll get notified every time I upload new videos. So yeah, you can follow us on our Instagram account at 𝐷𝐷𝐸 and at BossedUp PH. Our Facebook page is BossedUp PH, and I want to see you guys sa Facebook group natin. I'm ready to boss up by 𝐷𝐷𝐸. Follow me on my LinkedIn, 𝐵RITZY and yung LinkedIn page natin, BossedUp PH. So yeah, hope to see you on my next one. Bye!